This is Mindy Hank, and this is the dissection of the sheep brain. To begin with, it says that we need to make sure we have all of our stuff on. I got my gloves and my mask. So we're pretty much good to go. Remove the package, which I've already done. You have to place it ventrally on the bottom of the bucket here. Observe the derma matter and feel, which the brain is very squishy, kind of a hard type texture. This here is the derma. As you can see, here. Longitudinal fuchsia, which is this area here. And if I cut the derma matter back a little bit and expose it, should be able to see a little better, which I'm going to do now. Very carefully, as they state on the lab. Make sure not to damage anything. Kind of a thick skin here. A little hard to peel back. So I think, so that I don't damage anything, I'm going to cut it actually. Just to be on the safe side. The corpus calamus is what we're supposed to be observing. And again, if you look, I have pulled this back, the derma matter. It's making my eyes burn. Wow. Alright, which is deep, okay, so gently feel, okay. As I stated, I kind of already showed this. Here is the derma matter. Here. Alright, observe, identify acrinoid matter, which is again also this area here, which I've pulled back. Okay. Carefully remove derma matter from. Okay. Cerebellum, which is this area here. I need to take this off. And I'm going to cut it so that I don't do anything to hurt it. Looks like there's quite a few vessels in there, blood vessels and veins. So, now that we have that pulled apart, here we have the cerebellum. Alright. Is that any damage? Okay. Expose entire cerebellum. So we're going to cut this part off of the derma matter. I'm just going to put it down there. And this, which is the spinal cord, I'm going to expose that also so that you can see it better. So here we have the cerebellum and the spinal cord both exposed. Right. Identify. Okay. Again, this is the acronoid matter, same as derma matter. The innermost membrane layer, which is called the pia mater. Okay. I'm assuming that this is also the pia mater, which I could be wrong about because I cannot find it on the diagram. So, alright, now I'm actually going to pull this apart since we've already gotten all of those exposed. We are supposed to pull the brain apart so we can locate the corpus. Alright. Very carefully peel this off. And it looks like it's pretty far down in there, so I'm going to just cut it right about here. Make sure I can see my scissors. A little bit tougher than I had expected. So, kind of need to work at it a little bit. And in fact, I think I might use my scalpel flip for this because it seems to not be working very well with the scissors. So, there we go. Alright. Now that we have that off, we can peel apart and very carefully peel apart. I don't want to damage it. Okay. Here we go. Corpus callosum, which, oh, there we go. Okay. Now that I have it peeled apart, as you can see right inside there, corpus callosum. Alright. Moving on. We are to turn the brain so that vertical side is facing upward. Okay. So we're going to go this way, and I am going to remove the rest of the derma matter and expose the underside, or the ventral side, of the brain so that we can see. My gloves are kind of big. So we can see the rest. Oh, I don't want to cut that. Okay. So here on the ventral side we have the optical nerve, which is located here. And it looks like I might actually have to cut that in order to get the rest of the derma matter off. So I'm going to just cut it very slightly right here at the edge.